What is the recipe for a passionate life? Intuition plus action equals passion. Both aspects are important to creating a passionate life. Ultimately, a passionate life is one where you feel fulfilled doing what you're doing. A passionate life is also one that's aligned with your core values. It's aligned with your true nature. It's aligned with your core, with what you believe. And this is where intuition is important, because intuition is basically your inner guide that is telling you that you like things or you don't like things, that something is right for you, something is wrong for you. First of all, noticing that intuition and kind of feeling out that silent guide inside of you. You need to know where that's guiding you. But let's say you have intuition and you know kind of what direction you want to head in, but you're not taking the right actions. If you're not taking little actions every day, just chipping away at your intuition, at the path forward that you feel is right for you, then you're not going to get to a passionate life. But if you're just taking action for action's sake without any intuitive guide, without having a vision or a purpose for your future, and you're taking action towards something for no good reason, then you're also not going to end up in a passionate life. Now, you might end up somewhere. You might end up somewhere with money. You might end up somewhere with status or something, but you're not going to be fulfilled. Having just one or the other, intuition or action, isn't going to work. You have to pair the two together. I often hear people talking about manifesting and like manifesting your dream career. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest who you are. This is actually a point that I found from Clark Kegley. I really like this point because it really resonates with this whole intuitive guide. Intuition is about guiding from a place of your true nature, from inside. What you want to create in your life has to be aligned with who you are. I like to think of finding your passion like an onion. Your life is going to have many layers. You're going to have many phases. You're gonna have many stages and things that you go through, different jobs. Slowly but surely, you'll start peeling away those layers of the onion, of yourself, of your life, and getting deeper and deeper and closer to your core, closer to what is aligned with your nature. Let's think of intuition as being at the center of the onion. One layer might be financial stability, and you realize that you wanna make money to support yourself, and not just enough money to support yourself, but enough money to thrive. And you strip the next layer and go, oh, what is it that would really make me passionate? So I know I want financial stability, but what's the next layer? You realize that that next layer has to do with helping people. You realize that you want to help people. And a year later, you realize that you like helping people in a specific way. That next layer of the onion gets peeled. Imagine a day 5 years from now. What does a good, amazing, passionate day look like to you 5 years from now? Visualize right now what a day 5 years from now looks like to you, vividly and emotionally. Really, what does that day look like? Another thing that holds people back from creating a passionate life for themselves is not getting rid of things that are holding them back. What bad habits, what people in your life, what things do you need to change, do you need to get rid of in order to pursue your passion? If we go back to the original recipe, intuition plus action equals passion. If you have something that's inhibiting you from taking action or taking consistent and full action, then you're not going to manifest your passionate life. This could be limiting beliefs. This could be emotions that are holding you back. This could be people. This could be scenarios. This could be where you live. Are you living in a toxic environment that you need to move away from? Intuition plus action equals passion. That's the recipe for a passionate life. It's simple, but you just gotta make sure you have both and that you're doing both fully. If you wanna build an amazing, passionate life for yourself and you're finding it difficult to get to where you wanna be, I'm currently offering free one-on-one coaching sessions right now. Go ahead and click the link down in the description if that's something that you wanna do. You wanna build an amazingly passionate life for yourself and want some guidance along the way. Until next time.